Welcome back to my plant-based kitchen. In today's video, we're making something sweet and simple, homemade strawberry jam using the Instant Pot. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy fresh jam without the fuss, and the flavor is absolutely delicious. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need the following ingredients. 2 pounds of strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of water. Let's get started. First, clean and cut your strawberries. Next, place strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice into your Instant Pot, then stir. Let's sit for 10 minutes. Now place the lid on your pot. Pressure cook on high for 1 minute. Slow release your steam. Then in a small bowl mix together cornstarch and water to create a slurry. Then you will remove the Instant Pot lid and stir in your slurry. Turn on sauté mode, boil mixture until thickened. Why did the strawberry call 911? Because it was in a jam. Now pour your jam into a heat-safe glass container. Allow to cool and then refrigerate for a few hours before serving. And that's it, fresh, homemade strawberry jam made right in the Instant Pot. Whether you spread it on toast, swirl it into yogurt, or gift it to a friend, this jam is sure to be a hit. If you like this recipe, you'll be happy to know it's featured in my cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out and explore even more simple recipes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out more Instant Pot recipes on my channel. Thanks for watching.